Hello there, you. Welcome to Tisha's Home Cooking. If you're new here, you are very welcome. This is a cooking channel where we cook together very simple meals. So, you're most welcome if it's your first time coming on this channel. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and also hit on the notification button. This is so that you can get my next video when I make it. So please, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe and hit on the notification button. Please don't keep this channel to yourself. Share it with your friends and family as well. Now, thank you very much for your comments. They have been so lovely coming through and I've read all your comments. Today, we're going to be cooking a very simple meal. We're going to be cooking vegetable stir fry. Yes, you heard me right. This is very healthy, whether you're vegetarian or non-vegetarian, or you're thinking about just being on something very light for a meal. You can go vegetable stir fry, and then you can decide on whatever you want to serve it with. So yeah, come along with me. Let's start cooking. Okay, so let's go through the ingredients together for the vegetable stir fry. I've got here one small clove of garlic and I've chopped it. And these vegetables I've got here, I've got 130 grams of broccoli florets. I've got one medium carrot, which I have sliced up, one whole red onion, one whole white onion. I've got 130 grams of baby corn, and I've got 100 grams of Mangetout peas. Then I've got one red bell pepper, I've sliced it up, and I've got one yellow bell pepper, I've sliced it up. Then I've got two medium-sized spring onions, also sliced up. I've got my olive oil as usual, and I have two vegetable stock cubes, and that's what we're going to be using. So let's start. I have heated the pan up a bit. So let's say about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay. So this should take about 10 minutes. It's something very quick and easy. Say preparation time probably about 3 minutes, and then the cooking time should take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook. So as you can see, it shouldn't take a long time at all. So I've got the garlic in, frying it until golden brown. So I'm going to first of all put my white onion in first. Then I'm going to add my carrots next, because the carrots are a bit harder, so they will need to go in. So just remember, when you stir frying your vegetables, you don't want them too soft and you don't also want it too hard. So just make sure that it's cooked until it's tender and nice. Okay, so the next thing is I'm going to add my corn. And then my broccoli goes in next. I'm just going to add just a little bit more olive oil. And the reason I like using olive oil because it's healthy. And then I'm going to add my Mangetout peas, my bell peppers, and my red bell peppers. Then I'm going to chuck in the red onions. This smells so good. And you can see all the juices from the vegetables also helping it to cook very gently with the heat, the steam, and the olive oil. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my stock cube, but I've got hot water here, so I'm just going to kind of pour the hot water. Just to melt it up a little bit. And then I'm just gonna chuck it in. Before I do that, I'm going to finally add my spring onions. So my vegetable stock cube, which I've just added some hot water, is going to go in. And this will go very well with anything of your choice. So it's potatoes, rice, couscous, yam, fried yam, naan bread, whatever you want to have it with. the aroma is just heaven. Healthy vegetable stir fry. Just like that. Yeah. Oh no. That is nice. Not too overcooked.